S X Max screen replacement. Yeah, that's your page. Get busy. Go ahead and separate the screen. It's a lot easier to use a heat gun, which I should have did, but I didn't. And the screen is still good, so we can keep it and sell it to the people that buy screens. Still a working screen, so.
It is right next to Brown.
Take that off, unplug the battery first. Always. Remove your proximity sensor. There's a little adhesive right here, so you want to separate this little adhesive. And that's done.
No. That's 7 million.
Alright. Remove your proximity sensor.
He was the 7 million payment.
Remove that. XS Max.
No.
Move here.
I was telling the meal last night. You know, pregnant there. I came out of that bathroom and I was like, well, you have a baby and daddy said, you didn't grow, you pregnant.
Transfer your proximity sensor over. Put those screws back.
I was in that shower and I walked up and I was like, oh, shoot. I walked into that room, I was like, we gotta go, man.
Okay.
Hey, remember we barely made it to the doctor? Remember I barely
There.
got on the hospital table when he came out?
Plug it up. Plug your battery back. Boom, boom, boom. Adrian! There.
Hey,
Hello. Well, I saw that your case was just a little bit not nice anymore, so I just gave you these as a gift.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so nice. Thank you, thank you.
You're all in.
Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Oh, my daughter. I thought, man, she girl's gonna be worried sick. She's always, Dad, watch out. Oh, Dad, they're having an atmospheric storm coming. Be careful. And I thought, oh, she's not got a hold of me in 2 days. Poor girl's having a fit. That's all right. Wouldn't have it any other way. They still worry about you in their 20s. Good sign, I think. Ah, thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Well, I moved up here from Tennessee, but I'm not really from there. Spent like 20 years there, so it kind of like got a hold of me, I think, a little bit.
Okay.
People say, oh, I can hear it in your voice. And then I'm
Hear
like,
something.
thinking when I first got there, you know, I couldn't understand a stitch of what they were saying.
In Memphis?
Huh?
You in Memphis?
Tennessee.
Or Tennessee?
Tennessee, yeah, I couldn't understand what they were saying, you know, and I mean, I knew it was America, but I mean, like, you get it back in the sticks there, and man, oh man, I mean, it's like a whole nother
Well, I
language.
tell you, you have it going on right now.
Oh, God, you ain't heard nothing yet, I tell you, really.
I need 40.
What do you give me?
60. I mean 100.
These old cartoons crack me up. Black and white. That's when life was simple, you know. That's when you had no business because Grandma had the phone.